Brother. Brother, why are you doing this to yourself? How come you did not touch the food I prepared for you?
Oh. You know I'm sick. I am not well. How do you expect me to eat abacha like this without any protein? Eh? Today I'm taking medication and this medication is drinking my blood and consuming my strength. If I eat abacha like this without protein, how do you expect me to recover fast?
Brother, are you serious? Now, you being serious right now? Since you fell ill, I have been the one taking multiple jobs to run this family. You're not in a position to be sick, not to talk of selecting food. Listen, you have to manage what I can offer because I will not kill myself. You just have to manage.
Eunice, nobody forced you to take care of me. You are doing it on your own accord. Why are you making it look as if I am a burden to you now? Because I want protein in my food. If there is no protein, how will I recover fast? I'm tired of you acting as if I am a burden to you.
I am acting this way because you're not making it easy for me. You're not. You're frustrating me now. What is it? I'm spending a lot buying your medications and here you are talking about protein. What is it with protein? You're frustrating me.
I mean, I'm not well, though. I am not well, though. I don't want to be eating food like this without protein, though. I want to recover fast so that I can be of help. I need protein in my food.
Maybe I should go in there and bring knife so you cut my hands so I'll cook it and put protein. What is so special about protein? The main thing is it not for you to eat so you can take your medication. What is protein? It's protein food. I've tried. I'm working so hard. It's you until I work so hard and develop arms back. That's when you know I am trying. You're just frustrating me now. What is all this?
Yes. What kept you so long? And why is your face like this?
It is really hard buying his medications and feeding him. And he now rejects food, asking for protein. Yes. And he's talking about not liking swallow. No, in this our condition, my brother now rejects food. Can you imagine that?
Hey. But what is wrong with him? Why is he not cooperating with you? I mean, if he does, it will be easy for both of you.
My sister, I have no idea. Honestly, I am confused. I'm just tired. This sickness has lingered for too long and I am tired of carrying the bills alone. I need to look for a solution. Yes, I need to look for a solution so he can at least get better and help me with the bills.
So by looking for a solution, you mean taking him to the hospital, right?
That is what I have in mind. But money is needed. A lot. Bruce. Please. Can you lend me some money? I promise I will pay back in no time, please.
Eunice, I have tried for you. I have tried, oh, you know. All the money I've borrowed you before, you've not returned any. And I know what you're going through. I don't want to come and pressure you when I need the money. So I will just advise you, go to our village money lender. He will give you any amount you want. He can give you, sort you out.
I can see you are in a very bad mood today. I guess your money is tied up with someone.
But this particular debtor is like a bone that is hanging right by neck. I have tried everything possible to recover my money from him. But it is turning out that he has no money anywhere. Completely unable to pay.
Maybe he has family troubles. Dealing with family witches. And battling with bad luck.
Honestly, Ishebe, I have learned not to bother myself with whatever anybody is battling, whatever anybody is facing, whatever that is the reason the person cannot pay. That is not my business. I am concerned with recovering my money. Money lending is a very risky business. If the lender is not ruthless enough, the people that took money from him will not pay that money. They will be turning him. And even sometimes, they go the extra mile of planning to kill you so that your money is gone. We face a whole lot. Very risky business.
So what do you plan to do next?
I am going after my money. Of course. I am going to do everything possible to recover my money, and that includes seizing everything that belongs to the one who has my money. And where everything he has is not able to cover the money he has borrowed from me, I will activate option B, which is known only to me. Nobody survives it. I don't try to talk too much about it. If you are not strong enough, you cannot be in money lending business.
I know you are weak. Stop pretending to be sleeping. I just met the landlord and he has threatened to kick us out.
Why are you wicked to me? I am trying to recover, and here you are troubling me to come and pay bills. Can't you just handle these things yourself so that I'll get worse?
No, that's true. I do multiple jobs. I work so hard that I even look older than my age. Yes, the money is not even enough for feeding and your medication and you decide to handle it. Handle it with what?
You need to just tell him that resting is part of the healing process. I will get well as fast as I can. Let me just okay. Sleeping is part of the process of getting well. Let me just
I mean, I don't like this too. You're the man of the house. You should be talking to him, not asking me to talk to him.
Frank, I thought we agreed on this, that nobody should see us together. Hey, Franca.
That arrangement is not fair to me.
Franca, can you be reasonable? Can you? Who told you I am not missing you? Who told you I am enjoying your absence? Who told you that? I am not enjoying your absence. But this is what we both can do to survive this. Do you know it? Or do I need to remind you that I am in deep debt? Eh? Do I need to remind you that? Okay, now look at me. I am hungry, I am starved, and I'm being chased everywhere in this village because of the debt that I'm into. Do you want them to know about your existence? So they will drop you and weaken me? Do you?
I understand, but it's just hard for me. How are you coping?
Frank, I'm not okay. I'm not okay. See, Franca, you need to work extra hard. Work extra hard. Make more money. This peanut you are bringing in, it will help us in clearing the debt. You know we are in big debt. Just, okay, listen. If the men that you are meeting, if they are not good, if they're not giving you more money, leave those men. Look for other men that has people in the Diego. In the Mugu, surround the Diego. After he go. It's just nothing hard then.
See, I understand you, but I am trying. It's not easy.
I know you are trying. You know too well that you are trying, but equal effort. Equal add more effort, please. Because if you don't settle this debt, we won't come back to the house.
It's fine. So, am I going to see you again? Very soon.
Franca, you would see me as soon as you get the money. Franca, just get money. Get more money. Once there is more money, you will see me. See, I just don't like this frequent seeing. I don't want people to see us together. I love you. I love you.
You are becoming sad of late. Is anything worrying you? Don't tell me about your debtors because their actions is in line with your type of business.
You see, Ibe, I'm not talking about my debtors. They are the least of my worries. If they go against the agreement of the business, I know how to deal with them. I am concerned about my son. My son has become a man, but he is not thinking of getting a wife.
Yes.
That is a bother to me.
Now that you are talking about your son, this your son has been kept in secret for too long. Nobody knows how he looks like. Nobody hears from him. Yet you made me his godfather.
I need to understand, why are you curious? Why do you want to know what my son looks like?
I'm your best friend. How does it sound that I have never seen a son, your own child, you made me to his godfather? I don't know how he looks like.
Honestly, Shifibe, when you sound this way, I start to feel bad. You are his godfather. And I just told you that I need him to make a choice of a wife. I was expecting you to be telling me about one of your daughters who we can match make as a wife to my son, and you are here telling me about you have not seen my son. Have you not been speaking with him on the phone? He has been speaking with him on the phone as a godfather. He's not thinking of getting married. It's a bother to me. It should equally be a bother to you.
Now that you're talking about handing over my daughter to your son, an invisible son as it is, I've never set my eyes on him. I don't know how he looks like. How does that sound to you?
Eventually, when you offer your one of your daughters, you will see him. At least you speak with him on the phone. Not once, not twice, but several times.
Good afternoon, Chief.
Good afternoon, young woman. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you, sir. Chief, I have come to ask you to lend me some money.
I like you. You go straight to the point. Unlike some of these people who will always come here with dry jokes, they will end up not saying anything. But you, straight to the point.
Yes, Chief. I know you're a very busy man. I hate to waste your time. So I figured that going straight to the point will save each other's time.
Very brilliant. Please, sit down.
Thanks.
Just sit down. So, how much are we talking about?
200,000, sir. To pay back in 2 months.
200,000 naira. When I lend you 200,000 naira, you will start paying back after the first month. Where you fail to start paying back after the first month, the interest will start to accrue 5,000 naira every week.
Chief, that is too much. 5,000 naira every week. Okay, Chief, the interest of 5,000 naira should be monthly, not weekly, please.
What I have just told you is my condition. You are free to walk away. But if I succeed in giving my money to you, you have to pay by my condition. If you fail to pay, I will use any of the means available to me to recover my money. And I have many means available. If this is acceptable to you, I will give you the money after you must have signed the papers. I will give you to sign. Because I didn't ego na nkete a na-ebinyere m aka n'akwụkwọ. Eunice.
How are you? How did it go?
It went well, yeah.
Eunice, all this money, where did you get it from?
From the money lender. That means you need to get well so you can work and pay back this money as soon as possible. We have just 1 month to return this 200,000.
We? Eunice, you know I am sick. I am not well. How do you expect a sick man to make money?
But I'm taking you to the hospital now. Yes, that's the best thing to do. I'll take you to the hospital, you get treated, get well, then you'll be fit to work.
I think what you should do is to take from this money, pay the landlord, settle our house rent so that we will not be homeless. Then whatever is remaining from this money, use it and start a business. You start paying small before you know, I finished paying the money.
Then what happens to your health? You need to get better. Have you not heard the saying that health is wealth?
Eunice, with the way I am seeing this, my sickness, it doesn't look like what will be treated even in the hospital. It cannot be treated. It's not curable. I think poverty is the major cause of this, my sickness. So just start up a business and pay off this money.
You need to get well. It's been 3 weeks now. I have just 1 week to return 200,000 naira.
Hey.
Else I'll be in serious problem. To be paying 5,000 naira interest weekly while searching for the bulk money to pay back.
This is not good. You cannot allow this debt to linger, or the interest will be more than the bulk money you collected.
At this point, I do not know what to do.
Hey.
Working or business, it has failed me. 1 month is not even enough for a new business to generate its capital. I should not have listened to my brother.
You can't blame yourself. You had to do what you had to do.
I wish I had a wealthy and capable man. A man that is wealthy, that can take care of these bills. What am I even saying? To see me, a very hardworking and strong woman, my situation is beginning to make me think like a gold digger.
Talking about that, Chief Okoro is looking for a wife for his son. Yes. Right now, he even made it an announcement. He's so desperate. I think you should take up the offer and clear your debts.
So you're asking me to gamble with my future while trying to solve my present problem? Because has it occurred to you that nobody knows who I've seen Chief Okoro's son before?
And who says you won't have to see him before you proceed? For all we know, he has been overseas and he is going to be a big deal.
Ah.
Yes.
Ah. You're single too. You should consider this offer, don't you think so?
Well, I am single but not indebted. Desperate times requires desperate measures.
It's okay. You don't have to rub it on my face. I know I'm a debtor, but you didn't have to say it.
You are supposed to have arrived with my money. Today is payday.
Yes, Chief. Chief, I've come to ask for extra time. Yes, I am so close, but the money is not complete yet. The business I started with...
Listen to me. I do not have any business with whatever business anybody has started to do with my money. I am concerned with payback. Asking for more time will actually mean you have to start paying the weekly interest rate of 5,000 naira. Failure will be catastrophic for you.
Chief, please. Can we hold off the interest payments for now? At
Why?
least let me be able to gather the first payment and bring to you.
Listen, you signed an agreement when I gave you this money.
Yes, sir.
Negotiations do not exist after that agreement. You have to find a way to start living the spirit of that agreement that you signed. You're talking about money here. Because if you fail to leave, this trailer is going to jam you. And if this trailer jams you, it is as if the trailer that failed brake has jammed you. Do you want that trailer to jam you?
Yes.
Good. Look for money.
Yes, sir.
Money is my problem because I give you money, you give me money back. No problem.
Yes, sir.
What did I say? Money.
Money.
Money, right?
Yes, sir.
Look for it.
Thank you, sir.
Money.
This one you're looking like this.
How did it go? Is he ready to show mercy?
I am expected to make full payments as soon as possible. I'll pay an interest rate of 5,000 weekly.
Hey! 5,000 weekly. This is too much. Oh. So, what's your plan? What are you going to do?
The 5,000 interest rates is bad for me. It will become an unending debt, and I'm not sure I'll be able to come out of it. Rose, do you have someone I can borrow money from without interest rates?
Eunice. Are you trying to borrow money to clear debts? It's like using problem to solve problems.
But at least it is a solution. Yes, using a minor problem to solve the major one. Listen, Chivukuru is bad news and I do not mind getting into a minor problem to solve it.
Hi. What kind of problem is this?
I'm tired. I don't even know. Where will I get 5,000 from weekly to be paying?
Weekly.
Huh? Oh,
It's too much now.
Okoro. Welcome. As expected, you always have the best wine in this community. Can you see it?
And then you will always make yourself available to come and finish it. To come and drink me to stupor. You are just... I don't know. You are just that kind of friend who will never add any value to the friendship. Like a viper. Blood-sucking viper. Who will always be sucking from the friend and will never deposit anything. How do you even feel?
Chief Okoro, where is this one coming from? Don't you think you are going too far with what you are saying?
But where is the lie? Ishiibe, you are a friend who can help me solve the problem that is holding me in my neck like this, but you have refused to do it. Of course. I told you that my son is in dire need of a wife. You have very beautiful daughters, to the very best of my knowledge. Why have you not allowed one of your daughters to connect with my son for us to see the possibility of making them man and wife to solve my problem?
My daughters are not ready for sacrifice. And that's exactly what it means. How can I give my daughter to someone I have never seen? Somebody you will not allow me to see him.
Should I understand this your argument now to mean that you don't trust me? Do you actually feel I am going to allow your daughter to be married to a man who is not okay? Is your daughter not my daughter?
Your son is perfect wherever he is. There's no doubt about that. I remember you made an announcement in the community recently, but no family has come forth with their daughter for your hand to marry because people are skeptical of who your son is and how he looks like. This your son has become your greatest secret, Chief.
So if people are skeptical, like you say, should the one I call my friend be skeptical equally? Huh?
Can you maintain a respectable distance? What did I tell you about people not seeing us together? What did I tell you?
I'm sorry, but it's just that it's been long I felt you. Sorry.
I know. This will be over very soon. It will be over very soon. Things will go back the way they used to be. Do you have cash on you there? You know I am sick and I'm in debt, you know.
This is all I have with me. I couldn't get more from him. You should bear with me.
Him? Oh. What am I expecting? You know, men are the fastest ticket to generate money for women. Would I be a woman in my next life? No.
Why are you sounding so condescending? I am doing this for us. I hate doing it, but I don't have a choice.
Come to think of this very man you've been talking about. Why is it that no one has seen you with any man? Eh?
You don't need to worry about who I'm seeing. Just focus on fixing our problem.
Yeah, just be mindful. Let it not be that you are collecting money from the spirit and giving to me. That's what I'm saying. I trust it. You know I trust you.
When will I see you?
Stop. You look at where we are now. Stop this now. Stop this. I will let you know when we will see.
has refused to recover. Everything seems to be crashing on me.
What are you going to do? Huh? Are you considering running away? I mean, his name is on that guarantor form you filled, remember? If you run away, they'll probably hold him down and collect the money.
What are you even saying, Rose? If I thought of punishing him or sending him to an early grave, would I even borrow the money in the first place or think of a better way to treat him? Why would you even say a thing like that? Do you think I'm capable of doing such evil and mean thing?
Huh. My friend, you're very, very considerate of your brother. But he doesn't even feel the same way. He's not bothered. He doesn't even want to know if the problem kills you. If he had shared a little sympathy as you do towards him, he probably will get better and find help.
Listen, I know you care so much about me and want the best for me. I appreciate that. But please, don't you ever suggest a thing like that. Like, why you're suggesting that I should abandon my brother? Please don't suggest a thing like that. I cannot do that to my brother. He's my only family.
Okay. I hope one day your eyes will open and you'll see what I've been trying to show you. It's not like I don't like him, but I'm just trying to be considerate. The way you're considerate towards him, you should be considerate towards him.
Thank you. My eyes are open. My eyes are closed. Let me walk out. Are you sure? My eyes are open.
What was that? The same shameless behavior from all the useless debtors. When they come to you, asking for money, demanding for you to give them some money, they will have the best of language, speaking like decent human beings. But when the time comes for them to pay, it's a different thing entirely. To the extent that even the one who benevolently gave the money will no longer be worthy of being greeted. You saw me? And you are running away? What are you saying? You were running away just like other useless debtors. We will never pay the money they have borrowed. When are you going to pay the money?
Very soon. I'm looking for a good job, and once I get it,
Listen, when it comes to recovering my money, I am very brutal, very heartless. I do a lot of things when it comes to recovering my money. I have what they call option B that I activate. But the worst that will happen to you, if you delay in paying that money, I am going to sell you into slavery. Oh, of course. Look at this. Is she your friend?
No, sir.
You know her?
No, sir.
Okay, if you go, I will find out who she is. Hey. Wait. Isheibe, I understand that a man will always be a man when his ego is tampered with. But that is not enough reason for you to reject the wine I have offered you. I am sorry. The way I spoke to you the last time you visited, I'm really sorry. But I felt so bad and I needed to pour out how I felt. I'm sorry.
You have been forgiven. I'm forgiving you.
Thank you.
Any news?
Well, there is no girl or family who has come up to say anything reasonably tangible concerning the proposition I threw out. I don't know if I was desperate and they got scared.
You are probably speaking good to yourself. But there are desperate people that needed desperate money to pay their debts.
How do you mean?
Using what you have to get what you want. All you need to do is to get those people who are desperate to use money to solve their problems or pay their debts. Discuss with them and have a deal with them. Then you have it. You'll get there.
Could it be what I'm thinking?
Wonderful idea.
Honestly, I feel for you. I understand what you're passing through. Trying to pay off this debt all by yourself. I understand.
Yes, Chief. It has not been easy. But I am not running. If you can give me some time, I promise I will pay back.
Time is very expensive. And time is something that people like us, we lay strong emphasis to it because it translates to money to us. When you hear time is money, people like us are the ones who know what that means. I don't have time. But there is an easy way for you to actually pay off this debt.
What are you suggesting, Chief?
Marriage. You are a young woman who is desperately in need of solving a problem. And that is problem of money. And I am equally a man who is desperately in need of solving another problem. So both of us are desperate people. And we can capitalize on our desperations and get something done.
Marriage.
Yes, you know what I mean.
Chief, there is no way I will agree to marry a man as old as you are. Also, because I owe you, you think I do not have a choice.
And who says I'm talking about myself? I am not talking about myself. I'm talking about my son. So yes, a young man. Good-looking young man. Who has everything. The problem is that he does not want to be with any woman. But look at you. You have everything. Everything a man should be looking for in a woman. And I am so convinced that if I bring you in, that he is going to be very delighted to make you his wife. Yeah? And if that happens, I am going to write off this man. And you will be as free as the bird. What do you think?
Can you give me some days to think about your offer and also discuss with my family?
I don't know why you're saying this. You are a big girl by every definition of the word, and this is something that concerns you personally. You can actually decide on this all by yourself. But if you need more time, like you have requested, I'll give you more time. But just note it somewhere that I'm here waiting. Once you give me the signal, I write off the money. And you're going to be as free as the bird. You know, free as the bird.
You know I am not well. Why are you bothering me now? I'm not well.
Sorry. Our creditor offered a solution today. He wants me to marry his son and then we can consider our debts cleared.
Agree now. Tell him you agree. I mean, Chief Okoro is asking us to be his in-law. And you are thinking about it. Go back and tell him that you have agreed. You marry him.
No, you can as well get a rope, tie it around my neck, drag me to the market and sell me to the highest bidder. But does it not bother you who this man is? If he's suitable for marriage or not?
See, Eunice, I understand your concern. But it's just that if we miss this chance we have, we'll never see an opportunity to clear this debt. I am sure you came to get my approval. That's why you are telling me. Approved. go and marry. In fact, go marry now so that we can put an end to this problem. Please.
What if this marriage is not what I need? No, what if this marriage ends up ruining my life?
Look at us the way we are living. Is our lives not ruined? Poverty has ruined us already. Let us put an end to this suffering. Okay, we are in debt. We can hardly feel. What is remaining? What are we doing? Go and marry. Marry so that we can put an end to this life.
Brother, it is okay. I thought you said you're not feeling fine. All of a sudden, you have energy. Go and marry. Go and marry. It is okay.
You have small headache. The headache is the one that is making me feel like sleeping.
Mm-hmm.
Eunice, you are here.
Yes, sir.
Sit down.
Thank you, sir.
You know, you still have one day left for you to make up your mind on the preposition that I gave you. Have you made up your mind already?
Chief, I am still thinking. There are things that will help me make a decision. You see, love and attraction is something I consider very important in marriage. I have not seen your son. I don't even know what he looks like. How am I sure I'll be attracted to him or love him?
But you have seen me. Am I not good looking? Take your mind back to when I was much younger. Don't you think I will actually be looking very nice and wonderful by that time? That's my son. If you have seen me, you have seen my son. He's going to make a very wonderful husband.
I agree with you, Chief, but at least a picture of him. Let me have his picture in my mind while agreeing to this. Let me know what he looks like.
Okay then. The truth is that you have not actually made a bad request. But I'm going to show you a picture right away. That's my son.
He's sleeping so peacefully, like a baby.
Because he's a very peaceful human being. Very peaceful guy. Trust me, you will love him.
What?
You mean you saw a picture of him sleeping?
Yes, sleeping handsome. Hi, Rose. The man is sweet. He is so handsome. I have butterflies in my stomach just looking at his picture.
But is that enough? Are you not curious? Or is it the depth and the need for solution that is making you not to ask questions?
Yes, so let's just say I want to get out of this problem that I do not mind throwing myself to the wolves.
I understand you. But marrying a man through his father with just a picture of him sleeping is crazy, Eunice.
In that case, maybe I've gone crazy. See, listen, Rose, I am just desperate. Yes. Like my brother said, this might be the only opportunity we have to come out of this problem. And see, I do not mind. I will grab it because I just want this problem solved. I want to be free.
But what if the solution you seek for lands you in a bigger problem? Have you thought of it? What if the man you're getting married to is mental? And the father has been hiding it all these years. It's possible just to lure you with your desperation to marry his mad son.
My friend. I like your wide imagination. But it will not give me out to his crazy son or mad son, like you called it. Will he?
Just as you considering marrying a ghost, he probably might just be desperate to marry his mad son off.
Please stop. Don't make me scared. Which one is mad? Nobody's mad here. It's not that wicked to do so.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Could be mad, Wanyala.
Can you stop? Wanyala where?
Please.
Okay. It's not mad. You can't a mad person be handsome like that.
I want to thank both of you for finally agreeing to this marriage so that all of us can become family. You know, one thing about sons is that they will always be thinking of money, 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 and will not be thinking of choosing a wife. That is it.
Chief, you don't need to worry yourself. I understand exactly what the situation is because that is the exact situation I found myself. That is why I'm still single. I am running after money first.
Well, I can tell you that finally God has made it possible for us to become like one family now, where your problem has become my problem. Eh?
Chief, I am excited. I am happy for what you just said now. I am very happy. After all, we are going to become in-laws.
Yes,
In-laws.
yes.
Chief, will my husband to be coming around? I mean, you're rushing this marriage. Is he even aware he's getting married?
Well, I am going to take this occasion as a joke. Because who is that man that is getting married and is not aware he's getting married? Of course, my son is getting married, but because of distance, he has agreed that the marriage can happen by proxy. But not to think of it, one of his friends here in the country will stand in for him during the marriage proper. It is not something that is new. It's something that we have been doing.
I am getting married. Again, my husband-to-be is not available. What do we call this? Blind choice?
Eunice, don't sound like that. You need to calm down. Relax, okay? What I want you to do now, where your attention should be focused, is try and be a good wife, the most beautiful bride, and a wonderful daughter-in-law to Chief.
Yes.
That is all I want you to concentrate on.
And I can tell you here and now that I'm going to provide the environment that will make it easy for her to function as a wife.
Did you hear that?
Yeah?
Chief, let me get the opener.
I'm very happy you have been able to solve your problems.
Are you not the one I should be thanking? You are the one I should be thanking. They were so desperate to have the debt that was hanging around their neck cleared completely, that they agreed very urgently to the blind marriage. They agreed.
I told you that people with desperate questions will always get a desperate answer.
You said it and it turns out to be the truth. The marriage will be taking place in the next 1 week. I am so happy. So happy that my son is not going to be alone anymore. If he pleases God to come here anytime and I'm gone, he will be with his wife and possibly with his kids.
You are a good father.
Thank you.
You are a very good father. You have made what looks impossible possible. The marriage went through even though she has not seen who he is and how he looks like.
That one is not supposed to be a problem. The important thing is that a marriage is fixed and the marriage is going to take place. The young man in question is actually your godson. Have you forgotten? You should always be by his side. You should be by his side always.
I'm total support of him. Or are you doubting my loyalty to him?
I am not doubting. But you did well. You did well to have reminded me that we can use the bad experience into something so nice.
That is it.
I
need to work.
The experience is so bad, you can find a way to make it to become so good.
Timogolo.
I'm telling you. That is it.
I can't believe you are already leaving. I am feeling lonely already.
Come on, brother. Don't talk like that. Listen, we just need to look for a good girl for a wife so you will not be lonely. And I will also convince my in-laws to start up a business for me so I'll be able to assist you with whatever you want. Okay? That reminds me, brother. You were so energetic during the marriage ceremony. I thought you were fully recovered.
I am still sick. Do you expect me to be useless, especially on your most important day? I was just trying to be useful so that, you'll be happy, you know?
I understand. Thank you so much. I was not alone. It felt really good to have you by my side.
Thank you. You know, you are a very strong woman. Please, go and make us proud in your husband's house.
Okay, what you should focus on now is to get well soon. And I will also try my best to have a happy married life.
I'm so happy for you.
Thank you, brother.
Just come in. To the very best of my knowledge, this will be the very first time you are seeing the interior of this house, right?
Yes, Chief. We always sit outside and talk anytime I come around. I never imagined that the inside will be this big and beautiful.
You say the nicest of things, my dear. You see, this big and beautiful house, like you said, is now your house. I am just hoping that we can provide you with the happiness you need. Alright?
Chief, you have been so kind and supportive. You worry so much about my brother's health. You even drop so much money with him, even after clearing my debts. Chief, I don't know how else to thank you. Thank you so much.
You don't need to thank me. Agreeing to be a member of this family is already the best thing you have done. And I appreciate it. I'm just hoping that we continue to make you happy as you stay here.
Yes,
okay?
Yes,
come, let me show you to your room so you can start to settle in.
Okay, Chief.
Okay? You need this room. You know, I cannot help but see it in your looks. Are you expecting someone because you look anxious?
My husband. When will I see him? We're married now, you should at least meet his wife.
The same thing I told that boy. That your beautiful wife is already in the house. That you should be here. Guess what? He told me he wants to surprise you. Yeah.
Surprise me with his presence. Marrying him without seeing him is enough surprise. I cannot handle more surprises from this marriage.
Can you please calm down? At least we have gone past the hardest part of this. You are married already. And I need you to brace up. Brace up for whatever surprise my son believes he's going to bring to the table. Can you do this for me?
Yes, Chief.
Thank you. And I must have to confess, you are a very wonderful cook.
Thank you, Chief. I can't wait for my husband to eat my food.
You will like this. Hey, can we all calm down? Let us calm down, please. This is the hour all of us have been waiting for. The time for introduction. So I need us to calm down. Smart. This is Eunice. Eunice. This is Smart. He is your husband. She is your wife. Okay?
Chief, can you stop joking?
I don't understand.
No, I don't understand. But how can you say this thing is my husband? Do you mean he's your son?
Can we do less of name calling? How can you be calling a human being a thing? He is smart, your husband. You asked for him, demanded that he should come. He is here, right? Yeah. Wife. Good night, guys.
Father-in-law, I came to ask you what you would love to have for breakfast.
Well, I leave you with the discretion. Go ahead and prepare. Anything at all you feel is good for breakfast, I will take it.
Okay, I'll be right back.
Thank you. Are you leaving as in you don't want to comment about the event of last night? Or have you wiped it off your memory?
No, Chief. I just do not want to pay attention to it. I did not know a man of your age to be so playful to pull such a prank just to scare me. So, Chief, tell me, who is he? Is he your son's friend? And what was he doing in my room late at night?
Is it that you like to live in self-denial or what? The young man you saw last night, his name is Smart. Smart is my son, your husband. Yeah.
Chief, that was your son, Smart?
Yes.
No, Chief, you're joking. No, Chief, are you being serious right now? That was your son?
Yes.
Smart? Jesus Christ. Chief, what is going on here? Chief, there is no way I will accept to be married to such a challenged man. How? I did not bargain for this. This was not the agreement. You cannot force me to marry a man who is physically and mentally gone. How is that even possible?
I don't know why you are speaking a lot of things. My son is not mentally challenged. What he has is autism. It's a medical condition. But that has not stopped him from being a genius. My son is good. He has his place in computer programming and he has his own money. He's doing so well. I cannot bring you here if the young man in question is not good. He's going to make a very wonderful husband.
I am sorry, but I totally disagree because the man I saw there is not normal. The man that was moving his neck, rubbing his clothes, you expect me to go out with my husband and he's holding his clothes. Chief, I do not want to have issues with the Chief. It will not work. You see this marriage is cancelled. Chief, I am leaving. What do you mean?
No, I cannot believe it. He has autism and you should be able to... I don't know, why are they not understanding that autism is just a medical condition? You are not going anywhere because you are married already.
Father, she's leaving. She's packing to leave. I told you, nobody stays. Nobody stays.
Smart, you are not going to blame me for doing something to solve the problem of your loneliness. I am a father. I know. You always think you have me. And to you, that is all that matters. No. The issue is that I will not always be here. And I hate to remember that it may happen and I will leave you all alone. I don't want that to happen.
You always think you're protecting me, but see, I keep getting rejected. You are not protecting me. You're only exposing me.
Listen, son, I did not do what I did to make you feel bad. No, I did what I did to make me feel okay, that at least I'm doing something. And by extension, to see that you're actually okay. That is why I am doing what I am doing.
By marrying a wife for me. I can get the woman for myself, Father. Now you expose me to more rejection.
Listen, son. I am marrying, or I married a wife for you because if I leave you, you wouldn't be able to do that. Somebody has to do that for you. And let me tell you, that lady is not going anywhere. She cannot leave. Because I have a solid condition that is already attached to this marriage. It is going to take her coming up with a solution to that condition before she can leave. And I'm telling you, she cannot. Therefore, she stays. She's not going anywhere. I need you to understand I am doing everything for you. And everything is going to work out well. Calm down, my son. What you have is only a medical condition. And it is nothing. Okay? It is nothing. Calm down. Can you calm down?
Poverty, it should not be well with you, your father, your mother, and your entire generation.
Why are you blaming poverty as if your destiny is intertwined with it? You are in a marriage that has given you the opportunity to defeat poverty once and for all. Why are you allowing poverty to defeat you one more time?
Chief, you whine. Chief, you are a wicked and a very mean man.
How?
If I was your daughter, will you give me out to marry somebody like your son? Will you?
Well, I am not one of the men that are blessed with daughters. I don't have any daughter for me to begin to bother myself how she would have been given out in marriage. The issue here is that you needed this marriage to clear the debt that was holding you on the neck. I needed my son to be married. We had an agreement for you to get into this marriage and you accepted it. Why are you playing the victim card here?
Chief, I agreed to marry a handsome man like you showed me, not the part you omitted. The part that he is not okay, the part that he is physically and mentally challenged. I did not agree to marry. You know what? This was not part of the agreement and I am leaving.
Hold on. Your husband, is he a human being? The answer is yes. Are you married to a ghost? The answer is no. Listen, if you decide to leave this marriage, I am not going to stop you. But if you leave, be rest assured you are going to pay all the money you owe me, including the accumulated interest you have not paid for any of the weeks. Hey, Eunice, that money is long. The money is large. Don't make the mistake. Enjoy this marriage. Can you?
Jesus Christ. What kind of problem is this? I did not bargain for this. I did not. Jesus. Brother, I've never asked you to save me from anything, but I need you to save me from this marriage. Chief defrauded me, he lied to me, and took advantage of our financial situation.
Are you in any way trying to tell me that you have finally met your husband? How is he?
He is autistic.
What?
Yes, he's a misfit.
Chief Okoro hid him from the entire village because he knows nobody will want to get married to his son. And then he treats me using our debt into this marriage. But this is unfair. What have I done to deserve this?
My sister, are you telling me that Chief Okoro's son is autistic?
Yes.
We have an avenue to make money. We have an avenue to make money. See, this is Chief Okoro's top secret. And he has kept it away from everyone in this community. It is our time to make money. If we let him know that his secret is with us now, we know it, we can get whatever we want from him.
Jesus Christ, brother, you're unbelievable. What are you saying? No, what just came out of your mouth? What part of the I do not want this marriage do you not understand? Listen, I will not be the one that is sacrificed for you to make money. Do you understand?
My sister, you have to calm down. You need to relax. Look into it the way I am seeing it. Chief Okoro's son is autistic. Let me ask you something. Has it affected his manhood? Does it function? Is it still the way a man's stuff should be? Does it penetrate? I mean, does it stand?
And what has that got to do with this?
Everything, my sister. Everything. See, by the time we put it to Chief, that we know your secret, Chief, this is your secret. Your son cannot perform. Your son is autistic. That's why you've been hiding him. See, whatever we ask him to do, Chief Okoro will do it.
Brother, listen to me. I do not care what your plan is. But I do not want this marriage. Do you understand? I have been lied to, used, deceived. I want out!
Fine. This is what we will do. We'll go and see your father-in-law. We'll see him together. I want to find out if that thing works. If his son is still a man. Hold on, I'm going to change.
We are not going there to talk about manhood. Do you understand? We are going there to get me out of this marriage, not to talk about manhood. Jesus, what have I gotten myself into?
My in-law.
Chief.
What an unexpected visit.
Chief.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, our wife. How are you? Is everything all right? Sit down.
Everything is fine, Chief. I am sorry that I came unannounced. I didn't even tell you I was coming. It is simply because my sister complained some confusing things to me. So I have come to find out.
It depends on what she complained. Because the truth is that your sister has been throwing tantrums and threatening to leave since I introduced her to her husband, my son. Smart, who is actually smart by every definition of the word.
You must be that fine man, the handsome man. My sister is married to. I am Sunday, your brother-in-law.
Are you not looking at him? From head to toe.
Fine man.
Smart.
But Chief, what I want to understand is if there are certain defects, if there is any kind of problems he has, like something we should be worried about.
I don't understand. When people like you ask this kind of question, I begin to wonder if actually you live in Africa. Is there anybody who is living in Africa who has not got one sickness or the other that the person is managing? On Royal Road. There must be something that is disturbing somebody that the person is actually trying to live with. That is it. That is actually the fate of everybody living here. But to answer your question, my son is very heady. Just as you are heady and I am heady, the one we are seeing. My son is very heady. Look at him. From head to toe.
The major problem or what I am thinking is, or what I want to ask you, I wanted to find out if his family member down there, if score goals.
That one is extremely effective. On Lucio Luike. The problem is that your sister did not even give him chance to show his workings. before running away to go and bring you to come down here and verify what is not even in existence. Eh? Is it not when they test that they shall see? That is it.
Then, Chief, if that is what it is, I don't have a problem.
You shouldn't have a problem.
The marriage stands.
Aye.
She is not going anywhere because with what you just said, we are expecting a little brother-in-law.
What are you saying?
I like
Brother.
this.
What did you just say? No, what did you just say? That I am married to this misfit and I was strict to do so. Listen, we cannot let them go away with lying.
Eunice, you did not ask them if he was a misfit. They didn't tell you he was fit either. You saw his picture, you liked him, you married him, you will stay in the marriage.
And there is nothing lie with the picture. It is the same picture. We did it not as if we gave a different picture.
Is it not the same person you saw in the picture?
You see, this is my in-law. My in-law. let me just go inside and bring one of the best of wines. Let us start on. I was actually thinking you went in to bring something. You just came out with nothing.
My father-in-law!
My in-law.
Chief, my father-in-law!
I like this man. I'm coming.
What are you saying? What did you say?
Behave yourself. You have embarrassed your husband enough. Behave.
Jesus. Brother.
Honestly, Eunice, I am not trying to justify what I have done. I admit that I did not give you a full description of my son. But I did not tell you that he is perfect, because there is no way I could have said that. You yourself did not ask me anything concerning his perfection or imperfection. You could have actually walked away and not allowed this marriage to hold. And nobody would have bothered you. But you were so desperate to have the death burden that was holding you on the neck cleared. That was why you went into this marriage blindly. Why are you finally making me the culprit?
Chief, you showed me a picture of him sleeping, looking all perfect and handsome. If you were being honest, why did you not tell me that your son is autistic? Why?
Well, it boils down to the choice you have made. The sacrifice, the compromise you have to make to free yourself from the death burden that is holding you on the neck. That is just the truth. Let us face it. Marrying my son is not going to be the worst mistake you have made. Eunice, marrying my son is actually better than living the life of lack and the life of suffering. Honestly.
Is that so?
You know it.
Or you think money is everything? No, Chief. There are some things in life that are more important than money.
Listen to me, Eunice. I need you to understand. We brought you into this marriage because we need you. Yes. Let me explain this. Life expectancy in Nigeria where we live has dropped. Nobody knows when he or she is going to die. I am not getting any younger. And I know anything can happen. I don't want a situation where it happens and my son is left alone. That is why you are brought in here. For you to be a companion to him. That marriage is going to be a blessing to you. Open up. Allow yourself and go close to my son, and you will discover, apart from the fact that he has masters in management, you are going to discover he has a good heart. He can actually take care of a woman.
Chief, I do not care what you say. You don't get to take advantage of me. No. I can't even give him my best or bring myself to loving him when I feel cheated and defrauded by you. I will leave this marriage. That is what I will do.
But you're not going to leave. Listen, it is what my son has is only a medical condition. He is not mad. And my son can bang. Of course, he can bang. And he has his own money.
useless man called my brother. Him and Judas, no difference. Without considering my situation, he just took the wine and left.
You think you are the only one in this situation? My father made the choice for both of us. He chose to marry you for me. You know you're not my choice. Yes. I'm even trying to manage you, but it's not working.
What did I just say? You manage me. Between you and I, who is supposed to manage somebody? Eh? You that you're busy moving your neck around this house like Tolo Tolo. Who is supposed to manage somebody? See, don't get me angry. Don't allow me add to what you're already going through. What kind of rubbish is this?
This is what I'm talking about. We cannot work together. Yes. It is all my father's fault. He just put the both of us together. I want out too. You are not the only person in this. Out of all the beautiful girls in this town, I don't know if my father was so desperate to find me a wife that made him settle for you. We cannot walk.
What just happened now? Jesus. Hey, poverty, it is your fault. No, it is your fault. Because even this pig that just left here feels he's doing me a favor. No, he wants to manage. Hey, Jesus. Hey, Jesus. Hey! Poverty. Jesus! Oh!
Father, if your reason for keeping her is because of the debt, I don't mind. I will clear her debt. Yes. Let's allow her go.
Why will you say things like that? We are talking about a woman who is your wife. I mean your wife.
A wife you married for me. Yes. A wife. Father, this woman that cries her eyes out always. Like her word has ended because she married me. I don't want. She's not even my type. Yes, she's what? She's not my type.
Smart. You have a type? What is your type?
See,
Hey.
Father, she's too fair. She's too fair, too ugly. I like my woman slim. Yes, slim, beautiful, black. Yes, that is a perfect woman for me.
Does it mean you are blind? Look at what you are describing. Yeah? Doll baby. You know that doll baby? That's what you are describing. Not a human being. Have you not been looking at the chest of the one I found for you? Have you not been looking at her back? Have you not been looking at her step as she walks? Even, have you not caught her making phone call when she is smiling? You don't like the way she smiles? Your niece is the one who is already perfect. And that is why I found her. What are you saying?
Father, listening to you, it shows that you married your spec. Yes, you married your spec. Go on. Keep her for yourself. Keep her. I don't even like her. Keep her for yourself.
Smart. Did he just work out on me? Rejecting the beautiful woman I married for him? Smart. You have your own spec. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Son, you really need to listen to me. You are not in a position to reject that woman. Please.
Why? Why? You always tell me that I am brave and stylish like you. Look at me now. See me.
I know.
Father, see me. That woman, she thinks I'm enjoying it too. She doesn't know I am going through the same thing. That they only forced us together. I am disgusted as well. Yes, I don't even like her. I'm only trying to manage her. I am disgusted by her presence. Yes.
Okay, I know you can confide in me. Do you have any woman anywhere that you are seeing? I mean, the one you like, who equally likes you?
Father, what do you think before?
You have?
I am smart, Okoro. Your son. Sis, I am handsome. Yes. I have so many admirers. Of course.
Are you serious?
You know, they will be disappointed if I tell them that my father wants to marry a wife for me.
Hey, this is very nice indeed. Smart. So, as it is, I can say, now them they rush you. They went higher.
I am my father's son.
This is nice. Are they in this town or somewhere else? Where are these babes? Where they rush you?
Father, don't be in a haste. Calm down. Smart is smart. I will bring them.
I like what I'm hearing.
You don't say it. How could you do this to you? He married you off to a misfit. What did your brother do? Did he return the bride price?
My brother took wine and left.
Hey.
After asking questions about smart manhood, if it's functioning or not. My brother does not care about me. He is very selfish. Rose, you were right. I would have abandoned him a long time ago.
Hi. There's no escaping this marriage. Eunice, you have to live with it. But then again, you can take advantage of the situation. I mean, father and son need you in their life, both of them. Why don't you just place demands for whatever it is you want? People who want to keep us are willing to do whatever it is we ask from them. Don't you think so?
That would have worked under normal circumstances. But my circumstance is not normal.
What is going on? Is there anything you're not telling me?
I have been rejected by the misfits. Yes. That fool rejected me. He said I am not his type. He asked his father to let me go. That he has a lot of ladies begging for his affection.
Please don't make me laugh. You say you've been rejected by a misfit? Ha! Hmm?
I had always prayed for a day like this to come. A day that we are going to be sitting down like this as a family and be eating together like this. I thank God that finally that prayer is answered. Here we are.
Chief, there is no finally here. Yes, because I'm still ready to go.
How?
I do not want this marriage. You cannot get the best of me, keeping me here and forcing me to marry your son against my wish. I want to go.
You're already in the marriage and enjoying it. You're married already. Don't do it. Son, what is it? Okay, what is it? You don't like the food?
Dad, this food is nonsense. It's tasteless.
I don't understand.
She can't even cook. Aye.
No, who is talking? Eh? This food is tasteless. Can you cook? I'm asking you, can you cook? It is obvious your medical condition has affected your tongue that you cannot know a good food when you taste one. Which food is bad?
Did you serve him a different...
No, Chief.
The same thing?
Yes. Obviously not okay.
The same rice.
Even the water is bad. You are not good at anything. You're too bad.
Chief, warn your son.
It's okay. Smart, stop. 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 What?
I don't even know where you brought this thing from.
Your wife. Smart, is a good thing you are here. Please sit down. I want to have a word with you.
Father, I am exhausted and tired. I need to go and rest. Tired from trying to please the lady.
Are you sick in the head? Shut up. How can you be saying that before your wife? Smart, I did not raise you to be an irresponsible human being. Come and sit down. What I want to discuss with you is not going to take a lot of time. Sit down.
Father, talk. I am listening.
I want to find out, both of you, have you consummated this marriage?
You want me to have sex with her? I cannot. But I cannot. She doesn't turn me on. I don't like her. Yes, I said it. No, even if she removes her clothes now, she's naked. My body won't even move for her.
You wish. Listen, you will never see my nakedness. Not to talk of knowing if I move your body.
Father, nakedness that I have seen. Yes, now. Every time she was bathing, I peeped. I saw everything. Nothing was even there. Everywhere white. You just fair everywhere. Fat everywhere. It's not even enticing.
Did I hear you correctly? That you peeped while I was having my bath. How dare you? Are you mad? Chief!
Father, I even regret it. Yes. There is nothing there now. I hate her the more. Just seeing it, I hate her. She cannot turn me on. She's not my spec. I know what I like. Doesn't it?
Hey, shut up. Hey, shut up. Shut up. Stop talking nonsense. Shut up!
Father, what is it? I am so tired. I need to rest. I need to sleep it off.
Smart, you really need to be very careful. I called you because what I want to discuss with you cannot wait. What is going on? Talking to your wife the way you did is mean and very disrespectful. What?
Father, she cannot take a little of what I gave her. But she keeps calling me names. Yes, she keeps calling me names. I just gave her a dose of her own medicine. And she can't take it.
So this is it. All this is just because she called you names?
That is not all. You know I never liked the woman you married for me. Yes. I have someone I love. And I want to marry her.
You know, you said this thing before and I just allowed it to slide because I believe you were not serious. Said it again and actually hitting your chest means it is true. Who is this woman and how am I going to meet her?
What kind of a father are you? You're a disappointment, Chief.
Be very careful the way you speak. No daughter-in-law will disrespect me.
Daughter-in-law. And that makes you my father-in-law. Yet you encourage and praise your son when he's obviously being disrespectful and cheating on his wife.
Forgive me. Did you just call yourself my son's wife? That's interesting. You did not accept that you are his wife. You have been threatening to leave, throwing tantrums. I am sorry. Now that you have accepted that he is actually your husband, I should have known. So as to treat you how a wife is supposed to be treated. Protect you how a wife should be protected.
Chief, first, you deceived me into this marriage. And now you hype and praise your son for being disrespectful. I need you to hear me and hear me very well. I, Eunice, will not be made a laughing stock in this village. I will not be a woman rejected by misfits.
How have I made you a laughing stock? Eh? How am you willing? At least you're willing.
Eunice, you live in that big house. You have no more money worries. Yet, you're looking so stressed out. What's going on?
What do you think? The misfit is cheating on me. Yes. He uses every opportunity to bring me down. He calls me names like fat, ugly, rigid, and so on.
Wait a minute. You mean the one you are managing is acting like he's managing you? Mm-hmm. They should let you go if they're not ready.
Then what will people say? That I am so horrible that even a physically challenged person rejected me. Will there be any sane man that will marry me upon hearing that I was rejected by a misfit?
Hold on. You mean he doesn't even value you or desire you at all? For goodness sake, he is the underdeveloped brain here. He should be grateful that you're putting up with this marriage.
My dear, the reverse is the case here. He avoids me like a plague. Wow. He has a lot of women in his disposal. That idiot is so full of himself. I don't know, the monkey is lying to him and making him believe that he can get any woman he wants.
But what are you going to do? Because you have to do something. You have to take charge of this situation. Put that idiot in his place. He's a misfit, for crying out loud. You have to call the shots. You are the woman here. Hi! Managing you. Hey! There is nothing I will not hear.
No. No. I thought it was the clothes, but no. You're just shapeless and ugly. I even bought new clothes for you, and here you are looking worse than how I used to see you. You're not even attractive to me.
Are you being serious right now? Oh, so you're saying that those clothes will fit someone else than me? You're blind. No, it is obvious your condition has also affected your sight.
There you go again. Calling me names. It's not your fault. It's my father. It's my father who dumped his choice of a woman on me. Yes. If not him, what will I be doing with an ugly girl like you? Nonsense.
You can take your useless clothes to those monkeys out there deceiving you. I'm not interested in looking attractive to a misfit like you. What am I even saying? Listen, we are both miserable. We do not want this marriage, so I want out. Release me! Release me, smart, so you can also be free to go out there and marry that monkey that you think you love.
Oh, you think you can just live without any consequences?
It's about the money I owe your father. I am hardworking. I will work hard and make sure I pay him off.
If it's for the money, that is not a problem. You know I have the money. I can pay my father off anytime. But that is not the problem. Which face will you use to tell people that a misfit rejected you? Yes. Do you prefer to be rejected by a misfit? And I will tell anyone who cares to listen how bad a wife you are.
Wow.
Yes.
Well done, smart. You're indeed your father's son. Very wicked and manipulative. I cannot believe you have it in you, even in this your condition. Wicked thing.
Oh. You thought I was going to be weak, so you could just take advantage of me. No, it will not work. It will not work. Okay? Just go and think about what I just said. Do you prefer to be called a woman rejected by a misfit? Or you just hide your face here in the house? Think about it.
You know, I will not ask you to come and join me because you have more than enough in that big house where you stay with your husband.
Brother. You recovered without treatments.
My sister, it is a miracle. It is the handwork of God. I remember I told you that poverty could be the major cause of my illness. I told you. Miracle, big one.
Brother, you're wicked. Yes, you're mean. So you've been pretending to be sick to avoid bills. You watched me spend so much on your medications and on feeding us. Hey, Brother, you do not love me. You do not even care about me. All of a sudden, you are well, you are strong, and you are happy because I am married and the debt has been cleared off. And you've started receiving stipends from Chief. Now you're well, right? So all this while, I have always been a means to your end, brother.
Yes. You are my sister. What is bad if you sacrifice your happiness for that of your brother? Tell me what is bad if my sister Eunice sacrifice her happiness for me. What is bad in Eunice giving me big car and that kind of big house where you stay? What is bad in it? No, tell me what is bad.
Let me also ask you, what is bad if you do same for me as your only sister? What is bad? Why will I be the one to always sacrifice my happiness for your well-being? You know what? You have just made me realize that I am alone. I do not have a brother, no family. I am alone in this world. Thank you so much for opening my eyes. Thank you.
That is not what I mean. That is not what I... She'll be fine. She'll be fine. I know my sister. She's a strong woman. How can you tell me she won't be fine when she's going back to that house where there's plenty money? My sister will be fine. I know. My only problem is just poverty. I am scared of poverty. Even if it takes me pretending to be dead to avoid poverty. Or pretend to be dead. Eunice, you'll be fine.
First, it was my brother who pretended to be sick in order to avoid bills and responsibilities. Next, my father-in-law who took advantage of my desperation and tricked me into marrying his son who is in the streets. And now, my so-called husband. How is it? By telling me that I am not his type or is not my family. That is a trick. Smart is definitely hiding something. He's using attack to defend himself and to keep his secrets. What are you saying? What secret? The secret that he's sick down there. Yes. Smart is important. He is avoiding me to prevent me from finding out. This could be it.
I mean, if you use this knowledge very well, they will be the one begging you to keep their secrets, thereby giving you whatever it is you ask for. Think about it.
Leave me. I will arrest you for rape. Don't touch my fine body. What is this?
Arrest me. No, this is the lies you tell to keep me away from you, right? Smart, I have clocked your game. Your game of lies, manipulation, and deception. I have clocked it. You think I do not know that you're sick down there? And you pretend to be unattracted to me just to prevent me from coming close to you because you know if I come close, I will discover that you're impotent. You think I do not know?
You think I'm impotent? See, it's not every woman I see I go to. I'm a fine boy. I don't do like that, you know. See, I don't have sex. I make love. Yes, I make love. So I need to love you. I need to feel something for you before anything. I don't go after everything under the stairs.
Yeah. You make love. With what? Let me see. What do you make love with? Smart. Accept it that you are impotent. In fact, I will prove it. On the condition that if I prove that you are impotent, you will let me go. You will let me go without spreading lies against me. Not only that, you will pay me heavily so I can settle in another community. Deal or no deal?
Let me tell you, I am not impotent. But if you insist on checking it, on having a taste of it, get more. Get more.
Get more. Come on.
You is
smart. You are going down. You are going down. You are going down.
It's okay. Trailer will eat you.
It's easy.
You will see.
Today, you must pay back. You have become a ghost since I borrowed you my money.
Chief.
You have been doing your own, today I will do my own.
No, Chief. Chief.
Where's my money?
Chief, please. Chief, how can I get this money, Chief? Chief, you've made me quit so many jobs. Chief, the last time you came to the company where I was working, they sacked me because of the embarrassment. They said I'm an embarrassment. They sacked me because, Chief, how can I get this money with all this things?
Do you actually think I am bothered about all this nonsense? I am concerned about my money. Where is my money? When are you going to pay me the money?
Chief, give me some more time. Allow me. Chief, if you kill me, will you get your money? You will not get your money, Chief.
When are you paying me
Chief,
my
Chief,
money?
Chief, Chief, yes, 1 week.
1 week. I am giving you 1 week to pay me my money. If after 1 week you fail to pay, I will lock you up. And when I lock you up, you will not see daylight.
Chief,
Hey, don't say anything to me.
Chief, if you take my freedom, Chief, if you seize my freedom, how will I get that? 1 week, sir. Hey, Franca, you do this one. Franca, you do this one. Franca, what took you this long? Franca, if you had waited like 10 seconds, you would have met me dead. Chief just stepped out of here. Need to have seen how mean this man was. Chief stepped out of here. Chief almost choked me. Franca, please. Do you have any amount? Pico, do you have any amount?
You're not even ashamed of yourself.
Hey. Franca, you are working and are ashamed.
Take. This is all I have. I couldn't get enough. You just have to manage it. I can't pay all because of the interest it accumulated. So you manage this.
This one now, I'm rushing down to his house. Come near Hobiko. At least to buy us more time to get his money. I would have hugged you if not that. I don't want people to know. But what will happen is this. Franca, you need to double your hustle, oh. Double your hustle. Meet more men. Franca, there are so many men. Date men. Engage men.
Do you know how you sound? You sound like you are holding me away to solve your problems.
Bah.
Do you even respect me? Do you even see me as a woman?
You are my... I respect you. I respect you. That's why I said meet more men. In fact, anybody that proposes, accept first. Canada ego. Let's clear chief.
Oh.
Eh? Franca, just accept. This woman doing like this thing is too heavy. You can do it.
Well, the truth of the matter is that I am going to attend your son's marriage. But I am not going to wear any of those colors you people have advertised on the platform. Father. I wear what I want to the occasion.
Father, she's suspecting me.
Let me call you back.
She said I'm impotent. She thinks I'm impotent. Yes, she wants to put it to test for her freedom.
So why do I have this feeling that you are looking worried about that? Or are you confirming that you are sick down there?
Father, are you doubting my potency too?
No, I am not doubting your potency, but I am surprised. A young woman is trying to prove that something is working and you are looking this way. It shouldn't be. If she wants to prove, invite her over. Let her stay here and get her entertained. You have the freedom.
But I feel insulted.
Why?
Yes, I feel insulted by her. Why would she doubt it? She's doubting that I can do it.
Have you bothered to think that this may be her ploy to stay away from this relationship? She has been doing everything humanly possible to stay away so that nobody will blame her for having failed. She has been threatening to leave. Let us do everything possible to make her stay for your own good.
Father, I'm only taking this because of you. I am taking this because of you. I don't even know why you married her for me. What? Is she the only one? Or she's the only one so desperate to marry me?
No. I saw in that woman the only one who was able to sacrifice a whole lot for herself and her brother. I saw a woman who was determined to build. Listen, forget about everything that is playing out now. Let us look beyond all of this. She is a young woman who will become not just a good wife, but a protector. I have seen it in her already. If she wants to prove that this place is working, let us make her understand that it is working well. Okay?
It is working, but I don't like her.
You will try to like her. You will try to like her. But I'm like, don't worry. Ha!
I don't like her. She's too ugly for me.
How dare you look into your husband's eyes and call him impotent?
What was I supposed to call him? No, I'm asking you. What was I supposed to call him when he continued avoiding being intimate with me with the excuse that I was unattractive? Me unattractive.
How are you supposed to blame him? Why do you blame him when you continue looking like who wants to fight every minute? I mean, what is sexy about a woman who is always presenting herself to a man as a woman warrior?
I will prove to you and him that I did not lie. I will not allow myself to be manipulated by any man. I will take control of my life.
That will not work. Eunice, you are married now. And your husband has every control over you. You will go back to him and you will apologize to him.
And will you apologize to me? Or will you apologize to me and support me to leave this marriage if I prove to you that my misfit of a husband is impotent? Will you?
Prove it. And you have my support.
Really? My brother has promised to support my decision if I can prove that Smart is impotent. I am so close to leaving this prison called marriage.
What are you going to do? Are you going to do this just to prove that he's functioning or impotent? I mean, have you thought of the fact that you're going to be in bed with that?
Rose, can you just stop? You don't need to remind me. It's irritating. I can't even imagine it. But I have to do it. I do not have a choice. I can do just anything as long as it brings about my freedom. This might be the only opportunity I have to leave this marriage, so I have to grab it.
I understand. I totally understand. But then, what if things does not go the way you plan it? Will you just lick your wounds or hide your face?
I will just have to take it one step at a time. When I get to the next bridge, I'll figure out a way to cross. I just want to leave this marriage, that's all.
Smart. You have to stop avoiding Eunice. I want us to work as family so we can make a mess of our suspicion. Right or wrong? You understand?
Father, what are you saying? You want me to give my handsome body to that ugly lady?
The answer is yes. You are not doing it for anything. You are doing it to prove a point. Take this. Take it. Look at it. That is what I want you to drink. It is called fire tonic. It is going to bring out the man in you. So that by the time you handle her, she will not call you any of those useless names, misfit and all those names that she has been calling you. She's going to discover that indeed you are a man who is a man by every definition of the word. You're right.
So, Father, you want me to drink this?
That is what I am saying. I want you to drink it so that she will understand that you are indeed a man. Listen, my son. Drink it 1 cup at night and then the remaining in the morning. Everything is going to be so strong like this. By the time you finish with her, in fact, my son, you are going to finish her. I'm telling you.
She's going to know that smart toucher.
I know. It is bitter, but forget about the bitterness. Just go ahead and drink it because of what it is going to do.
It's bitter.
Tested and trusted.
Hey, I don't like
Made
bitter.
by us for us. Yeah?
But I will take it. She's going to see serious sugar.
Oh yeah, I know there.
Okay, I know. Thank you. See you.
Come on, you. Come on, you.
I am mobile. I am standing. I want to do.
You want to do? Don't listen to me. You do well to stay away from me. You're not permitted to touch me. Do you understand?
You are my wife. And I want to do.
Wait! Yes, I can see. It is working. Don't come close to me.
But you asked.
See, I'm telling you, don't come.
You wanted to know if it's working.
I can see it's working. Leave me alone.
Go back to your husband. You said your husband is not man enough.
Don't touch me. Hey, Chief!
Go back. Are you not a woman?
Don't touch me!
Go back. Show no mercy, show no mercy. If things go well, that means this night, most likely they will be giving me my grandchild. Son! No mercy. Fire down. No mercy, no mercy. Why are you crying?
Yeah, I live wrong with a woman sleeping with a husband that is not sleeping.
He raped me, and you are encouraging to do so. Someone will look at you and feel you are normal, but you and your son, you are the same. What will be a misfit for the society?
Keep your voice down. I need to get some rest. You're shouting as if something happened. I didn't even enjoy myself. You're not that sweet. Yeah, you are making noise. Please, I need to rest. You got me stressed out.
Leave far from you, because my Bible says that no sleep for the wicked. No, I know why God made you like this, because even in your condition you lack compassion. But let me tell you something. You and your son will pay for what you've done to me. You will pay.
Well, I am ready for whatever it is. I'm preparing. Whatever you are doing, I'm ready for it. Are you supposed to be happy? This marriage finally is consummated. At least now you are not going to be threatening me. I want to leave. I want to leave because you have realized you are married. The rumor that you are peddling that my son cannot perform has been dispelled. That's a mouth you are now saying that my son has no compassion. Is that true? You should be happy that you are married to a man like this. Settle in. Understand the job of your marriage.
Joke. Did you just say to me? Let me announce it to you that I will leave. This will not make me stay. I promise you. I will make sure you and your son regret ever meeting me. Bet me. Don't touch me! Evil man. Lied to and taken advantage of. And you, my only family, stood and watched it all happen without doing anything. Last night I was raped by that fool and my father-in-law helped him succeed.
Are you telling me that your husband is Do you think this marriage is a joke?
Am I a joke to you? No, am I a joke to you, brother? No, what is all this? I am your only sister for crying out loud and you're the only family I have. Why does it seem like I'm alone in this fight?
What do you want? Find them or return the bride price I no longer have?
Family. Prove to them that you are my brother. Prove to them that they don't get to treat me like a trash and get away with it. Brother, you have not done anything for me before. You have not fought or stood by me. I am asking you for the very first time that you should fight for me. Brother, fight for me. Prove to my husband and my father-in-law that I have a family, that I have a brother. Is that too much to ask for?
War in any situation, any little thing, you pick up a fight. Why? See, I don't know how to fight these people. I don't know what to do because the things you see as crime are not crime in my own eyes. I don't even know how you want me to go and fight my in-laws.
Jesus Christ.
just fight my in-laws.
So, what are your plans for freedom? Are you still planning on seducing the misfits to find out if it's not functioning below? It is too late for that. I was raped by him. He was a priest and minister. This has to be a lie. Well, make it make sense, Eunice. You mean the misfits you were planning on seducing the impotents raped you? No, talk to me. Cut me off. Tried to run away, but his father helped him succeed. I feel violated. I want to make them pay so bad. So the misfit is not impotent after all. He wasn't really into you. Does it? I have been shamed. I feel helpless. Rose, what am I going to do? There should be a solution. There should be another way to make them free me. Why don't you just accept this marriage and live with it? Not if it's fate. You will fight it. Listen, I know this is not what you planned for. You came back in for this. But life has a way of presenting itself. It doesn't really give us what we ask for. I cannot give up. That means me accepting defeat and decline that misfit and his father as winners. I cannot do that.
You asked me to meet you here.
Yes, I did. Babe, I asked you to come here so that we can say goodbyes to ourselves.
Goodbye. Where are you going to without me?
Babe, I am leaving town. Yes, the deadline chief gave to me, it's just this close. Look at me. I don't have any money on me to offset the debt. I don't have any money. So
No.
that's why I want to run away.
Babe, no. You can't leave me here alone. You can ask him to give you more time.
Babe, why are you talking as if you don't know Chief Okoro? You know Chief Okoro, I have tried that. And it didn't work. And look at you. I can't stand the shame of allowing you to continue the stupid thing you're doing. It's better I leave. Please.
You don't have to leave. I have thought of a plan. And I will get everything I want from my sponsor. I will tell him something that he will pay heaven and hell for. Just give me a few days and I will end all this drama. Please.
For real?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you very much.
It's okay.
Rose, I have been searching for my period. It has gone missing.
What?
Yes.
Are you serious? I hope it's not what I am thinking.
That I may be carrying the child of the misfit.
Yes.
Hey! Rose, this is a big mess. It complicates everything.
Hey. So what are you going to do? Because as it stands now, there is no plan of going out again or escaping from this marriage. You're not thinking of raising this child alone, are you?
I think I'll keep this news to myself and terminate the complications if need be. Yes, I will do anything possible to leave this marriage.
No, you can't kill your child.
I am not killing my child. I am killing his child. I am killing the little misfit that may be growing inside of me. Rose, listen, I do not care. I will do everything I can to be free again. Don't you understand? Hey, Jesus. How did this happen?
You're pregnant.
I know. You don't need to say it. I know.
One beautiful thing about the woman is that they will always forgive.
Chief, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
What are you doing here? You always want us to see in hiding. Even when I beg you to come to the house, you always say no.
That is because I can't contain my joy. I'm pregnant.
Eh?
I'm carrying our child, Smart.
You're what? Pregnant? You got me and now pregnant?
Eh?
You're a cheating animal, you fool!
No, I need to understand something. Are you saying that both of you are pregnant for my son?
Yes! The night you helped him in raping me produce a seed. His child is growing inside me and here we are. He has gone to get another woman pregnant.
This God, why are you so wonderful? Eh? Why are you so kind to me, God? Look at me who was afraid that my son will not be able to talk to a woman. Finally, 2 women are pregnant for my son and I'm going to be a grandfather to 2 children. Hey. You did it.
I did it.
Oh, will you just shut up?
Dad, I did it.
You did it. See his mouth. Cheating fool. I regret the day I considered marrying into this family. I cursed that day.
Why you consider?
Fool!
Why consider a beautiful day?
Looks like I've caused a problem with you.
No. She has never seen herself as my wife. You're welcome. Thank you.
Okay, so what are we going to do about it?
What are you saying? What are you going to do? What? You are keeping the pregnancy, of course. In fact, this one you are finally here. You are not living again. In fact, you are going to start living with us in this our house. Don't bother about going to bring your things. We are going to arrange new things for you.
I did it.
Thank you, Chief.
What? You are pregnant?
Yes, sir.
My son Nuria. I'm telling you. What is this?
Let us go inside.
Yes, go. Go inside.
How are you feeling, my love? Hope you're happy to have me beside you.
I am the happiest man on earth right now. But why do you ask?
I don't know, because you've not shown me how happy you are to have me here.
What do you want me to do to show you that I am very happy to have you here?
Remember the car you promised me? Now that I'm carrying your child, this is the best time to fulfill that promise.
Just the car.
Just the car.
You know you've always preferred cash, but this time you've accepted to accept the gift. I am happy. I will place a call to my car dealer. He will present you the car.
Really?
As soon as possible.
Oh, you're so sweet. Thank you, baby.
Hey! Do not. Listen to me. If you do not get your filthy self off my matrimonial bed, I will redesign your face for you. Get out.
Calm down, Tiger. What matrimonial bed are you talking about? You had never accepted me as your husband, and here you are, forcing yourself in a marriage you've rejected.
It does not matter anymore. I am carrying your child and I am legally married to you. So I will demand my respect. I will force it out of you if I have to. Hey, listen to me, I'm not done with you. If you do not leave this place this minute, believe you me, one woman will have a miscarriage and that woman will not be me. Get out.
Baby, just ignore her. It's jealousy. Jealousy.
It's obvious.
Let's go to your room, okay? I know how she can be when she's angry. I don't want it. Let's just go to your room.
I am not scared of you. Your threats doesn't scare me. I am here to stay, so you better get used to my presence. Okay, my love. Let me help you.
Thank you. I love you.
Get lost! Get lost!
I am having a good time, man. You are calling me out. What is it? Why are you calling fine boy out? Oh, you want to beg me to take you back?
For your condition, don't you think you're too full of yourself?
E-
Bring it down. Reduce your pride. I am not here to beg you for anything and I will never do. You have no idea how lucky you are to have me, if not for your father's deception.
Is this why you brought me out from where I was having a good time with my beautiful Franca?
I am worried about you. Yes, I am worried about this family. I have a bad feeling about her. How can you prove that you fathered the child she's carrying?
The same way I can prove I am the father of the one you are carrying. Yes, you know how strong I can be in the bed. You can testify to that.
Listen, Smart, I know you love this woman. But I cannot shake the feelings that she's lying to you. You need to pay close attention to her to know if she's real.
Am I smelling jealousy? Oh, see you that said no. You didn't want me. You shouted, you ranted. You called me names. Yes, you called me misfit rather. Yes. But here you are. It's like you're afraid of your competitor. Yes.
Oh, please.
You want her out of the way, right?
Me, jealous. No, why should I fight for what I already have? You're my husband and nothing can change that. I will say it again. Thank your father for his deception. Else you would not have landed a woman like me, not in your wildest imagination.
Jealousy. See fine boy, nah. See fine boy. You have not seen anything. Franca, my baby, I am coming.
I know you're not here to marry my husband. I know you do not love him. I also know the child you're carrying is not his.
What do you not know?
What I do not know is why you went this far. Yes, planting yourself inside this house is going too far when you know you can always get whatsoever you want from him by meeting outside.
What do you want from me? And how does this whole thing affect you?
Smart is my husband.
Oh,
Yes, this is my family. I know you're here for the money. Get whatsoever you want and get out.
you are so unbelievable. You rejected him. Called him every word too horrible for an insult. And here you are, hustling the same man. You must have lost it all. Well, keep hoping and holding tightly until you lose it all.
So you think I am shameless, right? Yes. I felt that way when I was tricked into marrying a misfit. But looking at you pretending to love him and even trying to pin another man's child on him shows me the true definition of shameless. Franca, leave now that I am asking you nicely, or you will force me to unmask you and reveal your ugly face publicly. And you could even go to prison. I am asking you nicely. Get the hell out of this house.
I dare you. Bring it on.
What's she doing here? Ask her to leave here now. Ask her to leave my matrimonial room now.
I am not leaving. You have to do more than threats to kick me out of this room because I am equally carrying his child.
Smart, I am talking to you. Ask this thing to leave this place now. Smart. Okay. You brought her here in the first place. Ask her. Are you ready?
Franca, leave!
Ask. Shout it.
Franca, leave! Franca, leave! Franca!
Get out. Rubbish.
All this thing you're doing, I don't think it's because of her. I can see you're reacting out of love. You're falling in love with me. Even the way you're beating me, it was sweeting me. I love it.
You're deceiving yourself. You love it. If I sound you, I was you.
My wife.
I know you'll be wondering why I sent for you and why I have asked you to sit down. Smart told me you are always demanding for your respect and that you fight him for his bed. What does that mean?
Chief, your son has a wide mouth and he blabs a lot. It is most disappointing that he tells you everything, so we do not even have our privacy as husband and wife.
Don't you think that privacy you are asking for may not actually happen? I was the one who found you. I married you for him. So if anything goes wrong, don't you think I am the one he should be complaining to?
Talking about that, Chief, there is something I want to share with you. I have tried talking to Smart, but he's deaf and blinded by love to understand.
Deaf and blinded by love. That means you want to talk something about Franca?
Yes, Chief.
Go ahead, I'm listening. Fire now.
I saw Franca with a man. Yes. She gave him some money and after that, they shared a quick kiss. She's seen someone else. She's just here to milk Smart dry. She's lying to him and using him to generate cash.
You know what? I am not going to claim I am ignorant of what you are reporting. Because I am equally suspecting that girl. Oh yes. From the way she has been demanding for money from my son, the way my son has been spending very heavily on her. Even you, who is the wife, you don't even make such demands. I have my reason to believe that something is wrong, but I decided to just allow things flow naturally. But now that you have raised this concern, automatically confirming my suspicion, I am going to explore the money lender in me, and I am going to get to the root of this. You should be able to trust me on that. Right? Now back to the original thing we were discussing. I need you to tell me everything you know about the lady called Franca that you have been seeing. Everything. And I'm going to cancel the debt you owe.
Chief, I am the one owing you, and you're giving me money. I am the one owing you, Chief.
So I should believe you don't need the money, right? That means you are going to pay me what you owe, and I'm going to get you arrested, right?
Chief, what was that question again?
There is a lady called Franca that you have been seeing. In fact, both of you have been together. Tell me everything you know about her. Everything as in everything.
Hey. Chief. Hey. Chief, please. Yeah, please, Chief. If forgive Franca, if she has sinned against you, because anything she has done, because Chief. Chief. Forgive her. She did all the stupid things she has been doing because of her gullible husband. Mama.
Did you say husband?
Yes, Chief.
I don't understand. Husband as in married woman?
Yes.
What? Franca is your wife?
Yes, Chief. Chief, I paid everything. I'm not owing my in-laws. Everything.
You paid her bride price?
Yes, Chief.
I can't believe this. And you've been doing all this rubbish with her?
Chief, I just turned a blind eye to all the stupid things she's been doing so that she will get money so I will pay you.
You know what?
Chief.
Stand up.
Eh?
I say, stand up! In your overall interest, take Franca and both of you should run away from this town, never to return. I am telling you this because of how I feel. Take Franca and do what? And run away from this town. If I set eyes on both of you ever again, you are going to disappear from the face of the earth without any trace.
Hey, Chief. Because, Chief, you will not see our shadow. Chief, even our shadow, you will not see. Oh, Chief, thank you. Chief, thank you. Hey, come see Jay. Hey, I think on Franca now. Franca now. Let her come now so that we'll run. Chief.
Father, how are you for this weekend? You both connived to send away the woman I love without even letting me know.
She lied to me. She was only using me as a cash cow, pretending to love you.
That is the sound of a jealous wife. You are jealous of her, but I love her so much. Yes, the one I love.
Stop. What is wrong with you? How can it be that you have been dating a married woman and you did not even know? What is this? And you call yourself my son? Eunicia called my attention to the suspicious moves being made by that very lousy woman, and I decided to pay closer attention. Only for me to discover that she is wife to one of the men that are indebted to me. A man who cannot pay his debts, and he has been using his wife, pimping her to men so that she can make money for the family, for them to solve their family problem. That is the kind of woman you are dating. And you're telling me, don't provoke me.
No, father. She cannot be married. No. I am the heir she brings. She doesn't eat or sleep without me.
This is what if I slap you, you are going to lose focus. How can you stand before me telling me that she's the heir you bring? How can she be the heir that you're bringing? A married woman? Listen, if you doubt it, I am going to invite her husband to come over and prove it to you that she's indeed a woman who is married. Listen. Smart, I will slap you. I want to thank you. Thank you from the very depth of my heart for protecting this family. Protecting this family from the leaves and the lion. Thank you. Now, because of your action, Smart, my son, will not be heartbroken in the future when he realizes that the child he raised, believing to be his child, was actually another son's child. You did it. Thank you.
I'm glad she has gone back to worship. No one deserves to be lied to or deceived.
This is why I will not stop apologizing for not opening up to you that my son has confessed. I have no right whatsoever to have given that kind of information from you. And this is why I have decided that I will keep making it up to you. Keep making it up to you until one day that you are going to forgive me.
I'm all about to first touch you. I mean, I cannot continue to live down to anger when you seem like all this that happened was perfect.
I am so glad that you are forgiven. It's heartwarming. Mainly now that it is gone. then that you are a wife and you have actually called yourself a wife in this family. Now that by the gods, the seed of this family is actually growing inside of you. I am so happy and I'm hoping for that day to come. The day that someone they love to look at me and call me father-in-law. That will actually be the happiest day of my life.
I'm sure that you will gradually get there.
Why are you here? Have you come to know? Have you come to tell me that you told me so, but I didn't listen? It's alright. Have your moment. Say it the way you feel.
I came here not to marry. I was coming to marry someone like you. Your father showed me photograph of us. And honestly, you were the most handsome man I have ever seen. I will not for any reason want to marry anyone with your condition. Not even for the money of your father. Like I said, I saw a sleeping photograph of you and I fell in love with you. I could not wait to be your wife. But unfortunately, things did not go as planned.
I've learned not to hold on to anyone who doesn't make a mistake. I have prayed and hope that one day someone who will love me in my condition will come around. As for your debts, I will pay my dad. You're free to go if you want to.
That is so nice of you. But where do I go? So like this is my family. You are my husband. Each time I try to end this marriage and escape, fate has a way of roping me in. And at this point, I dare to say this. This is fate. I have decided to accept you. Accept this marriage. I have decided to give birth to your children. I will give it time. I hope to love you. Honestly, you are not so difficult to love.
I already fell in love with you. It is there. I met you right now. I am not that bad. It's just that you were calling me names every time, just because of my condition. And every man has pride, notwithstanding the person's condition. So I had to give you back the way you are giving me. I know we'll try and make it work. If we got it right.
It's okay, I know I'm truly sorry. I said all of that because you rejected me and you kept saying you found me unattractive.
Why did it take you so long to say this?
All these wonderful, good-looking shopping bags. Who are they for?
They cannot be for you now. They're for my lovely wife.
I like the way you say that. My wife. You make me start mixing the days when I had a wife. It's good for me to finally see that both of you are beginning to get on well. I am impressed.
Father, you have to be. I cannot thank you enough. She is just a wonderful soul.
Hi.
A beautiful person.
You don't know how fulfilled I am hearing you say this.
I love her so much.
I was asking Eunice to calm down, that you are going to come around. Look at you have come around and both of you are enjoying the best of yourselves.
I have come around. I am now around.
It's okay. Go in. Go in and show her the things you bought for her. I am certain she will like them.
She will like them. Let me go and give her.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Thank you.
My son, my son. Beautiful. Beautiful. I like this. This is nice. Nice.
Congratulations. Yes. Drink of everybody. Smart is not a father.
Yes.
Oh yes. I never knew I was going to have a wife. Now I even have a son.
Yes, you have
Yes.
a son. You have a son.
Yes.
Listen, I never gave up on you because I had always known it that you are a complete man. Now you have proven it to everybody.
Yes.
You have become a proud father. And you have made me a proud grandfather.
Yes, Dad. This is my brother-in-law. I am proud of you. Congratulations.
My in-law.
My sister would not have asked for a better husband than you. He's a good man.
Yes.
Of course.
Oh yes.
I like him.
Congratulations, Smart. We are here for this bet. We are coming for more bets.
Yes, of course.
Yes.
Well, that is it.
Yes.
More bets. More bets.
I am a happy man.
Yes, you are.
Yes.
You feel like dancing, right?
I want to dance.
Smart Odogu.
Don't worry.
Smart Odogu.
Don't
Smart
worry.
Odogu.
In the next 7 days, we are going to organize the naming ceremony. We are going to organize it, and then you can dance all the dance you can dance.
Yes.
Let us celebrate again. Congratulations,
Yes,
congratulations. To God be the glory.
To God be the glory.
Congrats, man.
My baby.
It's my baby.